Dear all, I am Dr. Dhananjayan, your F&O hedging specialist. Last week on Friday night, all American markets, including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, everybody has gone down by nearly up to 0.75%, around 1%. Okay, so even our Indian markets also have gone down drastically in the last 1 week. Now it's 17,760. So that was the last Thursday figure. Friday happened to be a holiday. And of course, the SGX Nifty is already down by another 40-50 points. It is hovering at 17,720. So anyway, tomorrow morning you can expect the market also slightly bearish starting. But anyway, I think there is now, since the US markets is coming down slowly, but no need for the immediate panic. But I'll tell you something about that stocks which are going to be you can buy and hold, as well as the beaten down stocks. Okay, so please, and all are F&O stocks only. Please note down. I'll give the top 10 stocks now, right now. All are F&O, and these stocks you can either buy in cash and hold, or otherwise, if you are capable of holding it in the F&O segment like a bull call spread or calendar spread, you please do it. I'll also tell you something about that later. Now please note down the top 10 stocks, F&O stocks, which are likely to go up in the near future, maybe in the short term, maybe another 2 to 3 months, you can see a minimum of 5 to 10% increase. As far as the beaten down stocks is concerned, the topmost stock I can recommend is Aurobindo Pharma and Amara Raja Batteries. Okay, both have hit almost the year low yesterday on Thursday, so around 639 and 649. So what I want to tell you is it has fallen from the highs of more than 1000, because now it is less than around 650 levels. So what I want to tell you is these are in F&O, and you know about Aurobindo Pharma and Amara Raja Batteries. Suppose those people who are interested to buy, or even to do the bull call spread, buy around 640 calls, buy around that is almost at the money call, and sell around 700 call. This is what I want to tell you in both stocks. Buy 640 call in both Aurobindo as well as Auro Pharma as well as Amara Raja Batteries, and of course sell 700 call. Okay, first you buy this, otherwise you have to pay the full margin. So if you buy this, I think the margin level, I think it will go down. After that, if you want to sell it afterwards, so you can see. I think for this you need not have the full margin. So this is my first preference. Moreover, Aurobindo Pharma, if you see, the reason for recommending Aurobindo Pharma is the volumes are picking up. And almost all the beaten down stocks, all the 10 stocks, I just want to tell you, the RSI is below 40. Of course, it is all hovering around 30. So I think, it's all in the oversold position. Not only that, the volume is picking up. You have to see the volume, and also the MACD levels, and even this Bollinger Band, you see. Everything for that matters, because you have to see not only one, you have to see all the technicals. So without that, I think it's not possible. You cannot select. Even though it may go down a bit, but if you patiently hold it, I'm sure that it will reverse, and you can see at least 5 to 10% in the near term. So you can note down the other 8 stocks besides Aurobindo Pharma, besides this our Amara Raja Batteries. The next, my preference, the third one goes to MGL, Mahanagar Gas Limited. This Mahanagar Gas Limited, why the reason for recommending is, it is also beaten down stock. All the whatever I said all earlier, RSI around 30, something like that. But the thing is, if you see the volumes, the volume on Thursday, that is, it is the highest volume in the whole of this month. So that is why I am recommending MGL. We just go through that, Mahanagar Gas Limited. In the short term, I am sure that this is going to give a good returns, at least 3 to 5% return in the near term. The fourth one I want to tell you is HDFC AMC, okay, asset management company. So this is the fourth one I am recommending. And the fifth one is our Colgate Palmolive, Colpal. So this Colpal also, it is like that. You just go through the charts, you see the candles, everything, then you will be loading, because what I am selling is right or wrong. The sixth one is BPCL, Bharat Petroleum. So this Bharat Petroleum, there is a news is going on, and so many news is going to come in the near future. And Bharat Petroleum, because you see It is if you hold it and if you have a bull call spread, even this month itself you can see a good profit. The reason for recommending BPCL is it is in the Nifty 50. Okay, so Nifty 50 stocks, I will tell one more stock. It is Axis Bank. Axis Bank also is very much bearish, and of course you can have a bull call spread, and since it's also there in the Nifty 50, people are there to play, and you can simply buy it and you can see the profit. Okay, and have patience. Without patience you cannot do anything. Never expect miracles overnight. Rome is not built in a day. So you just hold it, because very, very short time. I'm not recommending for years together. It's only 2-3 months. Okay, you can see all that. We'll later because after this month or next month we'll have a review, because once in a quarter we have monthly reviews and even quarterly reviews also we can see. The next one I want to tell you is MFSL Max Financial. I think you know that. It's also an F&O stock. It's also a good stock, and you can see that you can buy and hold. My next preference goes for Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto is also, it's an F&O stocks, and not only F&O, it's also in the Nifty 50. Bajaj Auto is very much bearish, but don't think because it is going to hell, because it's cannot. People are there, and you have a bull call spread in Bajaj Auto also. You can see, but never be greedy. That one word I want to tell you. If you make a 3 to 5%, yeah, even if you make it 3% also, you can see. I'm sure you note down all the figures. Whatever on Thursday evening, there is Friday holiday, Thursday figures, you please note down and see in the next month, because today is 20th. You see before next month 20th, you can get these figures. And the last one I want to tell you is a pharma stock. It is a Cadila. Cadila, I think a lot of news is going on, and anyway it's beaten down. When it will flare up, even a lot of COVID vaccines, because even Zydus Cadila is also involved in I think nasal vaccine, all those things are there, and the news is yet to come, and it is a highly beaten down stocks again. So all these 10 stocks, I repeat once again, please note down, I repeat, it is Aurobindo Pharma, Amara Raja Batteries, MGL, HDFC AMC, Colgate Palmolive, BPCL, Axis Bank, MFSL, Bajaj Auto, and finally this Cadila. These 10 stocks, you can have a buy, because what I want to tell you is never have any naked calls, never buy any naked calls. I tell you repeatedly, because these stocks are likely to go up, but before then it will be beaten down again. It may see another low also, but don't worry, because it will again bounce back. The dead cat always has to bounce back. Okay, this is my policy, but never be greedy. If you make at least even 3% also, what the banker, as an ex-banker, I can tell you, bank will give only the 3 to 5%. So, but anyway, if you make it in 3 to 5% in 1 month, what else you want? Okay, so all the best. And this is not only that, I'll just go through it again. Another because what are the stocks which have had the monthly hit high? Because in the last on Friday, you please note down. S-Cards, S-Cards, in spite of the bearish market, it has gone up by more than 10% on Thursday. So this is because that will fall again and it will consolidate before moving up. The next my favorite is Asian Paints. Friends, you see Asian Paints candle, you see, and also Asian Paints is likely to go up again, because it is yet to touch the quarterly high again. It has crossed the monthly high. So I am sure that Asian Paints, some more steam is left out. And the third one is LTTS. I think LTTS, okay, because it's a Larsen Toubro, it's a technology solution. LTTS only, not LTE or LNT. So the fourth one is Birlasoft. Birlasoft is flying, and of course Birlasoft is already reached this. LTTS also gone up. So be careful. Unless without bull call spread, if you don't have it, don't do it. Just like that, and don't buy any naked calls. Otherwise, you simply leave all those things. Then comes the Maruti. Maruti, of course, it has gone up by last week itself. I recommended Maruti last Monday itself. Okay. Then it has gone up by 600 rupees. Then again on 300 rupees plus another 300 rupees. So all these things. Maruti, I think it's consolidating. All these things, and moreover, I will tell you another 2 more stocks like Mindtree and Persistent. Persistent also, you see, it has also gone up. So those people who are don't want to take risk, forget this sort of stocks. And whatever I told you, another the 10 F&O stocks which I mentioned, that beaten down stocks, you just buy it and hold it, and you can see miracles, make millions. That is my mantra. So anyway, all the best. See you later. Bye.